Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to surf on CSGO. And currently the first thing that we need to do is head over to CSGO Workshop, where you can download surf maps that you can practice on. Just search up surf and you'll be able to see so many maps, even like these new ones over here, surf for points, which I want to try. These are really good if you want to practice your surfing, but there's also other good maps that you can use. Alright, so now let's just head over back to CSGO so I can try how to surf. So here we are on CSGO. I'm sorry I'm playing this on windowed because I get lag. Alright, so just to be honest with you, I'm not good with CSGO, with surfing, but the main thing that you need to remember is that you just need to face up down basically. It's just like you're like a wave, you know, and just click on the side where you're sliding on and you should be surfing in no time, like this. See like for example, the wall that I'm sliding on is D, so I'm holding on D since it's on the right, and just move my view up down. So I'm not exactly the best in smurfing when it comes to my bunch, but hey, I can do a bit. Now let's try this different map over here. You just need to head over to the slope, and yep, that's not it. I'm just teaching you the basics. I'm not saying I'm an expert. Alright, as you can see though, I can at least slide on the sides, and that's what's essential in this video's content. So you just press on the side and just make sure you're going up down on your mouse. So you know, if you go, the logic behind it is that if you go down, you gain more speed, and then you go up to you know, you fly. So alright, that's how you surf in CSGO for noobs. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.